Crisp morning air, birds chirping, the world waking up, the start of a new day. Imagine transforming these tranquil moments into powerful, life-altering habits. Let's dive into 6 morning habits that can change your life. First up, rise with the sun. Aligning your body clock with nature to rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul. Second, hydrate before you caffeinate. Have a glass of water to kickstart your metabolism, while coffee can wait. Third, move your body. Be it yoga, a quick run, or dancing, or do any form of exercise to boost your mood and energy. Fourth, nourish your mind. To focus on your strength, practice gratitude. Plant a seed of meditation and you will reap the fruit of peace of mind. Fifth, fuel your body with a healthy breakfast. Remember, it's the most important meal of the day. Finally, plan your day. Setting clear goals can make your day more productive and fulfilling. So, which of these habits are you going to embrace first? Share with us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember, change begins with a single step. Here's to a brighter, healthier tomorrow. Thanks for watching.